Investing can be intimidating. All the jargon can make you feel like you need a degree just to get started. But all it really takes is a grasp of the fundamentals and a willingness to try. Let's get you started with 4 fundamentals. 1. Your reason for investing. 2. The basics of investing. 3. Your risk tolerance. And 4. The importance of diversification. 1. Your reason for investing. The reason you want to invest in the first place is key to determining what investments you should make. Are you trying to save for retirement, fund a large purchase, or maybe you just want to keep up with inflation? Whatever your reason, know your goals before you start so you can choose the investments that will help you reach those goals. 2. The basics of investing. You don't need to be an expert to start investing, but you do need to understand the basics. For instance, you should know the difference between a stock and a bond because they each serve a different purpose in a well-rounded portfolio. You should also understand how asset allocation works because it helps you choose investments and work toward your financial goals. 3. Your risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance will inform your investment decisions. Risk tolerance is how much risk you're willing to assume in your portfolio. It's influenced by several factors, including 1. Our age and investment time horizon. The younger you are, and the more time you have until you'll need your funds, the more risk you can afford. 2. How much you're willing to lose. The more you can tolerate drops in portfolio value, the more risk you can assume. 3. Your comfort level. Those with more experience and investing knowledge are often more comfortable with risk. 4. The importance of diversification. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes. By holding diversified investment types, you can limit risk because all your money won't be concentrated in one place. These 4 fundamentals can help you start investing with more confidence, which, in turn, can get you closer to long-term financial well-being. For more financial guidance, visit massmutual.com/financial wellness.